Yo, people, this is how I made $2,191.90 on the day trading NQ as my first day of risking more, which is pretty cool. There's about to be another setup. You are taking the mic, but I'm locked out. I'm locked out of all accounts. I'm locked out of this account. Not. Right, we could take it on this. Sorry, I haven't even moved you yet. Right, let's put you down here. Zoom me in a little bit so you can see my gorgeous face. There we go. Right. Cropped. Okay, so what happened going into the day? I saw that we had relative equal lows out on the hourly time frame. ES came down and swept out both of these for market opened. So I was like, oh, that's fine. But I do believe that we are going to continue bearish. Annoying. Our setups for me. Anyway, sorry. Right. So market opens, it just absolutely rips and pumps. So what do? We wait for us to hit into a key level, which for me was the 79% extension, which is this blue line right here. We came down, wicked this inside of a 5 and 15-minute gap before getting what I thought was an internal SMT, external SMT, as ES hadn't come up this high, and then getting a 30-second inversion. Now looking at it, we didn't inverse by about a point. So technically, not the model failing, it was just bad execution. Because I thought we inversed, we didn't, but completely gorgeous trade. External SMT, I believe we had an internal as well. Manipulation into the 79% extension, high time frame PD array, for having a 30-second inversion to the downside. That one ran straight to stop loss, was annoying, and because I'm risking a bit more, I put my stops above the high for a 44.5 point stop, which down 420 on the day on each account, which was fine. So then we waited even a little bit longer. We came up, we inversed a bullish 5-minute, bearish 5-minute. So I wanted to see a reaction to rebalance down to a bullish one. But we've just came and inversed that anyway, so I'll get to that in a minute. But we didn't end up inversing the 15-minute, and we made this SMT off of these 15-minute highs inside of the 15-minute order block, whatever you want to use. So we got that, which was pretty good. And then we proceeded to get an SMT off of this, a gorgeous 1-minute inversion. So we entered on the retrace up, set a limit here, tapped back into it, stopped at the high. We went break even at this 1-minute low. We then just saw it run gracefully to this 5-minute unmitigated gap, which put us back break even on the day. I wanted to target a winning day. My full take profit was down here. These lows, as obviously we've still got the relatively equals on NQ, so that could be good as a good sort of target. But I was messing about with the stop loss. I placed it and then I ended up grabbing a drawing by accident. And then I grabbed the take profit. And on Top Step, for those of you who don't know, Top Step doesn't ask you to confirm. They just instantly move your stop loss or take profit. So I moved it and then price jumped down and I let go of like the mouse. And it took us out of the position, which is a bit annoying. So the Top Step accounts were stuck at just 150, well, 102. It's basically break even because it's not even a winning day for the XFA, which is very annoying. Plus the combines, like $100 profit on a combine. We did, but at least it's not 400 down. So we got to think about that because we ended up banking on NQ. So this was the eval. This is the free one that we got for Alpha Trader. Alpha Trader is actually pretty decent now. You can move. It took me a minute to get used to, but it's a lot better than what it was. And then you can see we entered the same thing on our live alpha funded account, and then took profit at the bottom of the 5-minute low. Because I'll be honest, Top Step 1 pissed me off. So I went out, went to the toilet, came back, and I was like, oh, okay, I'm still in the one on the alpha. I completely forgot because I haven't got TradeSync, so I've got all these tabs open separately. So yeah, it annoyed me a little bit because would have ran for my full take profit. I would have trailed and probably got stopped at about there. 119 points would have been up like a K, like 900. But it's fine. Can't get FOMO because FOMO leads to, bad trades, bad decisions. So we're fully locked out. The accounts, we're done for the day now. It's only, it's only 3. So we got a long day ahead. But yeah, we ended up banking. I risked 1 mini on the alpha account, and you can see the balance 5805. As you can see, 5805. So 1 winning day plus 805 profit on the alpha account is pretty good. So yeah, total for the day across, so 102.10 on 3 accounts, 108.80 on the eval, and then 850 on the alpha live. Takes us to 2191.90 on the day. So not bad, but obviously 1,000 of that includes evals, but 800 up on the account. I'd like, if it was the Top Step account, I'd be so much happier. They've both got the same amount of winning days, and this is such a weird mental thing because I don't believe that the alpha one is real, if that makes sense. It doesn't make sense to me. I don't know why I feel like the alpha one isn't real. I had no emotions trading it. I just completely let it do its thing. And like if I trade my XFA like that, I treat my XFA like I treat my XFA like it's royalty. It's really bad because it leads me to making like bad decisions and stuff like that. But who knows? Yeah, perfect wedge model, gorgeous setup. Yeah, came up 79% extension. If we had inversed this, I'd be like, okay, that's my model losing, but we didn't actually inverse the 30-second. My mistake. Jumped in too early, paid the price for it. So we would be up about 550 if I hadn't taken that initial loss. Fine. Ending the day green. That's all that matters. Good start to June. Good signs of things to come. We get another good trading day tomorrow. Then Wednesday, Thursday, I'm not able to be on the charts. And then Friday, hopefully, we end with a banger. But for me, that is all. External internal SMT after sweeping data highs, 1 minute inverse to the downside, targeting equal lows. I do believe we'll continue down further for the rest of the day, or just chop from here on out because we've made a good move, made a big move up. When was market open? Market open was there, 162 points up, 172 points down. So we've ranged quite a lot for a no news Monday. Well, we do have news. There was news at 3, but it didn't really give us much. But it's fine. Yeah, so that's it from me. I hope you all have a good day. Hope you've all had a profitable day, and I'll see you later.